Is it really one of my vlogs if it doesn't start by me making a cup of coffee for real? But I just wanted to start this vlog by talking about this new coffee maker that I got because I love it so much. It's from Ninja. Let me talk over the coffee being made. It's my second coffee maker from Ninja, and the reason why I love this one over my old one and over like any coffee maker I've ever had is because first of all it's a lot more compact than my old Ninja was, but as you just saw, you can change the brew amount of that the coffee maker makes, so it can make anywhere from like a small single cup of coffee to like a medium and then a large cup of coffee, and then it can make like a travel mug size, even larger travel mug size, and it can make half a carafe and a full carafe. So it's really nice. It can also do like over ice brews where you have, if you're going to drink iced coffee, it makes it like a little bit stronger so that when it gets poured over the ice and the ice sort of melts a little bit, it doesn't get like watered down. But the thing that makes this coffee maker amazing, one sec, is this insert that goes into the area where I put the paper filter. And basically what it is a removable K-cup thing. So not only can you make ground coffee in this, but you can also put this in and you can have it make K-cups, which I think is so cool because I do kind of like certain K-cup coffees, like the donut shop coffee. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. If you love coffee and you have been shopping for a new coffee maker, I'll link this one in the description because it is so good. Now 11 o'clock. I really need to get myself together to do my workout for the day, but I got a couple packages, so I figured I would do a little unboxing. So the first one is from Home Shopping Network. I'm very glad to be on their influencer, blogger, PR list. So they got a really cute pair of boots. I'm so excited about these actually. Are Vince Camuto. I love Vince Camuto shoes, and these are so like cute for winter time. Here they are. They are so flippin' cute. Suede, real leather, and I believe the buckle straps and this sort of lining is also real leather, but the shearling is faux. So yeah, really, really cute. They've got some really good like lug soles on them, so I feel like they're going to be actually pretty good boots for winter time. I just need to like do a treatment on them to protect them against water because obviously they're suede and leather. So yeah, I need to do a little waterproofing on them before I wear them in any weather, which probably won't happen anytime soon because I'm in LA. But they've got a little side zipper. Buckles are actually functioning, so I'm guessing if this just feels a little bit too tight on you, you can loosen them up to sort of adjust it. But these are a really cute pair of boots. I love the like sort of like cozy hiker boot vibe. Like I feel like they look like hiking boots, but they're like more chic and just more interesting. So I love them. Alright, I moved over because I feel like the lighting is better over here, but I also got a package from NuFace. Super exciting because it is their Magical Results holiday package. So this is the NuFace Trinity, which you guys might have seen. I have one of these already, the classic version. I did a whole like review of it earlier, so if you want to watch that video, I'll link it in the description box. But they sent me this little holiday pack, and you get this like sparkly NuFace Trinity. It's like a special edition one, and then it comes with their aqua gel and like a little facial brush to apply it with. And also so cute, this PR package. I don't want to like fully take it out, but this is how it comes. And this mug has like a big, I think it's like a hot chocolate bomb in there. Hello, beautiful. I'm going to give this to someone. I'm going to give this away. I'm going to do a giveaway of this. I still have to figure out how I'm going to do it. Okay, I really, really need to get my workout gear on and do my workout today. I've been slacking off so bad on my workouts. I mean, I haven't been slacking, but really in November, I was traveling a whole ton, and then I came back from Vegas right before Thanksgiving and was so sick. Oh my god, I was like so sick. It wasn't COVID. I tested myself several times to make sure. I think I just got a really gnarly flu. Trying to get back into working out in the last week. And I went to the gym for the first time last Wednesday, and oh my god, my legs were so sore for so long. Like, today is Monday, so it's been 5 days, and I feel like today is the first day I've woken up and I feel like I can actually function properly. So I'm gonna get back into my workout routine this week, but first I'm gonna like tidy up this living room a little bit because it's a mess. You guys, my life is such a mess. I need a house cleaner. Let me clear the space and wardrobe change so I can get my workout in today. It's cold in LA this week.
Want to see you grinding through those 15 push-ups? Tag us on social media. We have many prizes on the line. How many? Yeah, as I mentioned, weeks to finish this year's final.
Don't I look cute after I work out? Bacon crispy, but not greasy. Oh hey, want to get ready with me? A little bit of makeup. Keyword is a little bit, Jessica. I feel like every time I try to just put on a little bit of makeup, it always becomes like a full-on glam. Is anyone else like that? Like, I feel like I'm either no makeup face or full glam. There's a little grand opening. The new Sportsman's Lodge shopping area, which is not too far away from where I live here in the lovely San Fernando Valley of Los Angeles. What else? Watched the first 2 episodes of Just Like That, which is the new Sex and the City show. I don't want to spoil anything for anyone, so I'm going to put a timestamp right here for you to skip ahead to really fast in case you don't want this spoiled. Give you a second. Skip to this if you do not want episode 1 of And Just Like That spoiled for you. Everyone who's watching this part, I'm assuming, has either seen the show or doesn't intend to watch the show and doesn't care. They killed Mr. Big. Guys, I cried because, like, you know, Mr. Big, he was a shithead for a long time, but then he got better, you know. It made me have like such an existential moment. Like, oh my god. I can't even imagine losing. I'm not even gonna say it. I honestly cannot imagine losing my spouse. I don't want to think about it anymore. I'm gonna go back to doing my makeup. Okay, so this is the point at which I really should stop doing anything else to my eyes, because if I feel like I do more than this, it turns into a full glam look. This is all we need. This is all we need. A smidge of eyeliner though, because I feel like because my eyes are a little bit like, they kind of point down. I always like to do a cat eye because I feel like that helps them to look a little bit more upward facing, if that makes sense. Whew, that one looks good. Look at me just messing up my wing.
Here we are, a cold December night, snowflakes fall, wonderful, magical, it's that time when everybody.
This is like the new thing, like boxers for girls.
Shining bright. I still remember how I used to feel. Look at
It's a tote bag, honey. Wow. It's for people who like really big bags. These are so crazy. It's like a crystal inside of your water bottle.
What, you put water into it?
Yeah, I think the crystal like gives your water good vibes or something. I don't really know.
there will be sleigh bells and Santa Claus. It's the number one
To Erewhon and show Nate what this is all about.
time of the year.
A turmeric shot. $10 each. Oh. I love how the sushi is like, it's sugar free. I would hope sushi is sugar free. $18. Ooh, it better be some good fish. Right? Ooh, and you thought Whole Foods was expensive.
Hold your hand so tight, and always remember the way that we feel. Look at us now, walking around in the snow.
My grays are coming in hot. Can't be having that. I have to dye my roots like once every 3 weeks. I know how to make the color that my hairdresser uses for my roots, so that's what I do most of the time. And then I go to her like every couple of months or so to get a cut and to get more of my like balayage, like highlights put in. Really got to do my hair, especially because I'm going to be starting filming for a Christmas movie that I'm in this week. So be having that gray hair peek through. What I do normally is I section my hair off into quarters, do the front half of my hair, and then I have Nate come in, aka his name is Frank. That is his hairdresser alter ego that we created during the pandemic when I started doing my own hair at home. Frank comes in and finishes up my hair in the back where I can't see it. Down the middle, and then I section it off like right behind my ear. Put it to the side. Same thing on the other side. Gotta mix the color. The part where I put on a good podcast to listen to. I'm listening to Lost Hills lately, which is a really cool true crime podcast. Episode 5. Here we go.
When Verna's first husband, Bill Johnson, died, she inherited their duplex on Broad Beach in Malibu. She and her kids, Kim and Doug, lived in one half, and in early 1976, she rented out the other half for her friends Patty and John.
All right, time for Frank. All right, you ready?
Yep. Alright, right down the middle. Very good at parting your hair.
Okay, I'm trying. Don't be too crazy because that's all the hair color that I have left.
Thick on the top. I mean, I can see gray eyes when I see them. I just go for them. I attack them.
Attack.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
It's alright.
Isn't there any...
Nate is off to work for the night. I'm gonna wrap his Christmas gifts tonight because I feel like that is what needs to happen while he's out of the house. Nate, if you are watching this vlog, which I highly doubt that you would be, but if you are, turn it off. So, this is really massive. This box should be big enough. This is from a brand collab that I did on my Instagram, and I love using boxes like this because they're kind of like what I call decoy boxes. Because when he unwraps it, he's just gonna see that it says Rugrats 30th anniversary Forever Young, and he's gonna be like, why did you give me Rugrats stuff? And then he's gonna open it and he's gonna like it. Exactly what I'm gonna do for the AirPods that I bought him, because if I just wrap them like this, he's gonna know. Like this box, he's gonna know, because he bought me these for my birthday, so he knows the box. So I'm going to put them inside of this Pixie box, decoy box. That's the key, guys. If your gift is, if it's gonna be obvious, you should put it in a decoy box. That will keep the surprise alive until they actually open it. That is my Christmas gift wrapping tip to you. How much do you guys love just watching me with like my hair just like, I'm like no makeup, but at least my roots are covered now. Oh my god, my battery's gonna die. Christmas gifts are wrapped. Got very creative with my gift wrapping this year, and I'm really bummed that my camera battery died right when I was doing it, but I'll show you guys. Ribbon is giving me so much grief. It keeps coming untaped. Ugh. But I had some extra like little leafy garlandy things from these guys. They were, what do you call them? They're the things you stick in the Christmas tree. They had these on them as well, but because my tree is flocked, they didn't match. So I ripped those off so I could still use the majority of those stick things in my tree. And then I figured I would use the little leftovers to wrap the gifts. So this one I feel like is super cute too. I had this ribbon just laying around. I think it looks really cute with that like vintagey truck wrapping paper. And then this one, a little pine cone in there, a couple ribbons, super cute. Very proud of myself this year with the wrapping. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this little Vlogmas day in my life video. Stay tuned and subscribe if you're not already. I'm gonna have some more Vlogmas coming soon for you guys, including coming up this week, filming and behind the scenes of filming this Christmas movie that I'm going to be in. I'm really excited to take you guys along that little journey with me, so definitely stay tuned. Give this video a thumbs up, and while you're here, you might want to check out these videos right over here. They're super fun. I know you're going to love them. And until the next video, see you guys later. Bye.
That's what Christmas is all about.